Which ordered pair could you add to the following list of points to create a function? So I put the definition of a function down here again. For every input or x value, there has to be exactly one output or y value. So if we look here, we say that 3, if you input 3, your output is 5. If you input 4, your output is 9. If you input 2, your output is 5. We just have to make sure that for every x value, there's only one y value. So if we go to add another point to this list, let's look at the first point. It says 3, 7. Well, it can't be 3, 7 because we've already said that 3 maps to 5. So 3 can't map to 7. It can only have one output. If we look over here at 4, 1, 4 can't give an output of 1 because 4 gives an output of 9, and it can only have exactly one output, so that's gone. 1, 9. We don't have any x values that are 1 yet, so that would work. Let's check the last one, 2, 6. 2 can't map to 6 because 2 maps to 5. Each input has to have exactly one output, which is why that is the answer.